If you love the mysteries of the universe but haven't taken a peek into ancient texts, then hold on tight. The Quran invites us to reflect on the creation of the heavens and the earth. Science tells us that the Big Bang started it all, an explosive expansion from a single point. Initially, the sky and earth were one. And what about life? Every living being is fundamentally connected to water, with cells being around 80% water. Remarkably, the Quran encapsulates these marvels in Surah Anbiya, verse 30. Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Then will they not believe? This profound insight predates modern discoveries by centuries. Written over 1400 years ago, it